Okay, so hello real estate. It's a busy Friday. We're actually in the road. Very traffic and the temperature right now is 42 degrees. Grabe. So today we will be discussing about the mga pitfalls of real estate agents that's preventing them from getting a sale and from getting or for being successful. So I know that there's a lot of challenges that we are facing day to day, not just getting clients but also our own personal stuff, doing daily chores and other things that would occupy us. But in terms of real estate right now, we have to exert effort. One of the challenge that I see that's preventing us from from maximizing the benefit of real estate is our ability or our tendency to prefer convenience. Okay, we will not go out to meet clients because it's so init. Makalabad og ulo, it's far. Okay, so these are the things that is actually our own decision that is impacting our ability to maximize or to promote real estate and to make a sale. So we prefer to have that convenience now, and then the downside of that is we will get used to it. It would lead to complacency, it would lead to laziness, and we quit even before we have tried maximizing the benefits. Okay, so what are my suggestions? Number one is really to know the reason why you join real estate and to understand that it's not an easy business. It requires a lot of hard work. It requires a lot of sacrifice. Look at me, nangingitim na nga ako when I joined. Before, puti ako. So I joined real estate and understood that you really need to meet your clients. Okay? You really need to meet your clients. You have to go out if your client wants to visit the site. Now, there are clients that would prefer to transact online, which is okay, which is good. But not all of the clients feel secure with that transaction. Maybe mga OFWs or mga foreign investors that are not here in the Philippines, but most of the time, if your clients are based in the Philippines, and then they want to see the site, they want to visit the location. And from a developer perspective, they can only attend or facilitate during weekdays and office hours. And office hours is usually during the day kung saan mainit. Okay, so you have to set that expectation. Magdala ka ng payong, sunblock, sunglasses, you bring a paypay, yung small na electric fan, you can bring that, you can give one to your client, so the client would also appreciate na you are also taking care of them, you are thinking about them, you're thinking about their health as well. Okay, so that's not an excuse. The heat is not an excuse. We face it every day. It should be expected. And it should not stop us from getting our dream life. Again, you should not, be satisfied with what you have. If you want convenience, then real estate is not for you. It requires a lot of hard work, long hours, lead generation, site trip, training, educating the client, meeting the client, and then not all of the transactions become successful. So that's part of it. As long as you know your expectation, I'm sure you will have that ability, or you will have that chance, giving yourself a chance to be successful. So the init, it's not an excuse. The distance is not an excuse. It's expected from us. If it's expected from us, our clients expect it from us, and we should expect it from ourselves as well. So yun lang muna. To all the real estate agents out there hustling and grinding in this hot weather, kudos to you. I know na this is just a small part of your journey, and imagine lang if you will make a sale, it will all be worth it. And if it's not, if it's not successful, you will learn from it. Okay, so experience is a great tool. Experience will teach you how to be better, how to prepare. Okay, so yun lang muna. Thank you so much and have a nice day.